This is the IV Works board. I don't know if this is just the pure acrylic version. I'm assuming so. We get to see you fail to peel in frustration. Man, you remember the days where acrylic was like, stacked acrylic was the thing, and we just sit here peeling on stream for like literally 3 hours? So this is the IV Works. Although I don't know if this is technically the AV4, is it? Oh yeah, it is the AV4. I do miss stacked acrylic builds. I do. I think they are quite cool. Oh man, I remember this PCB, dude. Chozo sent me a bunch of boards, and they're all a little bit older. Oh my god, look at this PCB. Isn't this PCB something? Isn't that kind of weird? But also super cool at the same time. Alright, so what layout are we doing? I think we have a pretty fixed layout, right? So we're doing 5 stabs, all 2U. It's pretty fixed. There's not a whole hell of a lot we can do. People call me crazy for this too. I love keyboards. I've been doing keyboards like full time for almost 6 years. You know what I still do? If I'm on my laptop, I'm not plugging in a custom keyboard these days. I'm just using the laptop, and then I feel refreshed that like I can enjoy my custom stuff. Oh yeah, all these parts. Okay, and then gloves, which I'm not gonna be using. All right, damn, 2022, that's crazy. I think this is just a patch. This is the badge that goes in the front, and these are feet. Yeah, these are feet. All right, so these are the gaskets, which I think we'll put on the plate. So this is the bottom. That we'll do last. I think we can do that last. And now we got to figure out all this. So these are the top layers, in which go this way. All right, so that does go on top. All right, and then right under that is the gasket one. So this would go underneath it like this. And then the other ones go underneath. Oh wait, we'll have to align these properly. So this gets flipped, and then these get flipped too. Boom. All right, we got it. We got the general shape here. This is stacked acrylic, yeah. All right, now this is the most difficult part about this. Getting these standoffs through the acrylic is nerve-wracking. But as long as we can get one to start, the rest should go in easily. The corners get done, then I think we should be in a good spot. But these standoffs are a pain. Like I said, these standoffs are not fun to put in. I don't know why the standoffs are always so thick compared to the acrylic, but it seems to be a common trend in these things. Stacked acrylic's always been a bit of a pain on the butt to do, to be honest with you. Always been a bit of a pain. I don't personally love it. Alex judging the standoffs and how thick they are. Yeah, my bad. I shouldn't do that, right? We got 2 in. There we go. Starting to get everything aligned. It's really just getting a few aligned here. Do you always install the standoffs on the board? I never put standoffs on PCBs, but on these you have to. These acrylic boards, these are sadly a must. How does a stacked acrylic change the sound? Imagine just like a plastic board. Like it's a plastic board with a slightly plastic sound signature. All right, let's start putting this together now. Now, this part I think just screws in. That's the badge. Now let's actually put the gaskets on the plate. The reason why I'm doing on the plate opposed to on the stacked acrylic is because we don't want to see any of the adhesive. We're gonna try to avoid that by just putting it here. Little imperfections on the acrylic here. I guess from peeling off those adhesives. So we gotta do short screws here. All right, we did it, guys. We did it. Here is the AV4 IV Works. You can see the standoffs and stuff, how they all work. It's cool. I like it. It's pretty neat. This little guy here. I mean, I definitely need to take some photos of this. This looks cool. I do love it too. Like, it looks good on the desk. Wish they did a machined version of this. That would be cool. They did like a half machined version. They had like a metal weight. Looks like a render. You know, this looks pretty cool, guys. I'm not gonna lie. With the RGB on, let's quickly see. This load up in VIA, right? I think the LEDs look great on this. All right, let's see how this sounds with the Granite switches in it. You know what? It's an FR4 plate. Xray sounds really good on this. The Granites did a pretty good job with this board too. It's not like overly sharp, which I think is kind of nice. Oh man, I'm gonna have to take some pictures of this. This looks so good. It's actually really nice. I would totally take that as my office key. It's a little bit lighter, which is, I think, good. But it still has like a nice bright sound, but like not over pronounced. Pretty comfy type too. I'm not gonna lie, this is real nice. Yeah, no, this turned out great. I think you're really gonna like this in person, Chozo. Good start to the chapter of Chozo. We have a lot of keyboards over the next like 2 or 3 weeks for Chozo here, so gotta say, Chozo, this turned out good, man. I'm real happy with this. I don't know what color looks best on this though. I'm so happy with this. This turned out great. I was a little nervous the granites were gonna be too light. This turned out really good. I'm really happy with this, guys. Very, very happy. I mean, you can kind of see, like, look how much light is being produced. You can see it reflecting off this keyboard a little bit. Even just little bits here on this metal hinge. Cool. Very cool. Well, this was fun. Actually, does it look any different if I put it like... I don't know, I guess my camera's not going to do a great job in the face cam area. Alright though, guys. Bit of a longer build tonight, as expected. Acrylic's always a bit of a pain, but it's well worth it. It's always fun. I'm real happy with this, man. I mean, this looks not real. That's crazy, man. You could pick up so many chicks with that, for real, bro. Cool. Very, very nice. Very happy with this overall. Good board. Good board. They need to run this again. This can't be expensive to make. Good night, everybody. Love ya.